is Rene, Building and Equipment Manager for Texas Rock Gym. Well, since we're all stuck inside, unable to go climbing, I figured it's a good time to do some inspection and maintenance of some carabiners. So just want to let you know what I look for and what I do. So I got two types here of Petzl MDs. I got a screw lock and a ball lock or auto locking carabiner. So first thing I look for is I make sure that the spring's in good shape and that it has a smooth action. So I'll open the carabiner all the way, make sure that the carabiner closes smoothly all the way to the end. You'll notice on this guy that there's a bit of wear from rappelling. That is perfectly fine. I just want to keep an eye on it, make sure that there are no burrs, there are no sharp edges. If this starts getting considerably thinner, then I will want to retire this carabiner, but so far this is still has plenty of life. I just need to keep an eye on it and make sure that I don't get any burrs on there in the future. So as far as maintenance with screw gates, it's pretty simple. Just take some dry lubricant. I have some Tri-Flow here, and just apply it onto the hinge area. A little goes a long way, so you don't need much. And just work that hinge back and forth. You want to have a paper towel handy because some crud will come out of here. That's all there is to that guy. So, auto locker, same thing. Just checking out, making sure that the nose is nice and clean. There are no burrs on any of the surfaces where the ropes might run. Want to actuate the gate, pull it open all the way, release, make sure that it locks. Do that a number of times. Then I also want to go and have the gate pulled back just about halfway to make sure that the spring is nice and strong and still able to actuate the auto locker. Also want to test that three-way auto locker. This is a ball lock, which means I gotta push this ball, then twist and pinch. So here I'm unable to twist it unless I push that ball down. So as far as spots that I'll lubricate these guys, I like to throw a bit of lubricant in there. Throw some right inside here so that it can get down to the hinge and inside the sleeve. So once we got a little bit of Tri-Flow in there, just going to work that gate back and forth several times. Let that lubricant work its way through. Since I poured it in on the top here, I'm holding it so that lube can work its way down. And I want to actuate the gate. Again, having it over a piece of paper towel. You can see all these little splatters of crud that are coming out. Let's see that. Nice and black grime. All the excess that's coming through. Even pour a little more in there to flush some of that out. That's about it. So yeah, I like to do that every now and then, just keep crabs working in good shape. And Alright, well, see you guys in the next one. Take care.